back to the channel. Today is technically officially the first video of the new year. I know we had the G80 video, but that was for Christmas, and this is officially the first video, and I'm excited to say the Suki build is going to be coming along much faster. I'm finally getting this thing going. I'm so excited. I have the rear over fenders, the front fenders. These two are going to be what's in today's video, and we are going to be cutting it up. Have I ever done a wide body? Nope. Have I ever cut anything up? Nope. Am I gonna be learning today? Yep. Guys, I've never welded in my life, in my entire life. Learning experience. Have you ever grinded anything in your life? Grind with me, relax your mind. Alright, but seriously, I need to get this thing washed. This thing is dirty. It's been sitting. That's what we're gonna do. But before, let me give you a little rundown of what we're actually installing in this video. Here we have the ASM rear over fenders. I'm really excited because I have never installed any sort of over fenders or anything. So it's definitely gonna be a learning curve. We gotta start somewhere, you know, and I have help from friends who have kind of taught me what I need to do. These rear fenders are 25 millimeters bigger, wider. We have the J's Racing front fenders. When I initially got the car, these were the first fenders that I found and pulled up that I really like. I don't know if this is the norm for buying Honda fenders, but these are quite beat to shit. They look rough. These are brand new. Never been installed on another vehicle. The webbing is crazy. Please, like, it's very bad. I don't know how these are going to install on the car. I'm kind of nervous. Please, in the comments, if you are Honda owners, if your experience has been the exact same for buying brand new fenders for your car. I'm going to have to get bodywork done on them to make them look way better. This is not the only webbing experience that we have on these, so these are pretty rough. I just need to know in the comments if this is like a pretty casual thing or if this is I just kind of got the bottom of the barrel, you know, my luck. The first look of this bumper, I wanted to cry. This is the Voltex bumper, and my inner child is screaming. Like, my Too Fast, Too Furious is screaming. I cannot wait to put this on, but unfortunately, it's not gonna be in today's video. This is gonna be in the next video, so joke's on you. But with this getting installed, I am also going to be doing the wing with it as well, which we don't have out, but surprise, surprise, you're gonna have to wait for that one too. Just kidding, I probably already posted the TikTok of what's going to be going on this car, so if you want to see it, go to TikTok. But now, let's get going because she needs a really good clean because she is dirty. Well guys, the S2000 is pretty much clean. I do have to clean the wheels, but I want to say that I am super excited to announce that Gian is now a sponsor of the channel. I genuinely love Gian products, and I'm super excited to say that they are now a sponsor of the channel. Sponsorship aside, if you are in the market for a new car product brand, I would heavily check out Gian. I am super happy with their products. Just from what you can see, the foam gun, that was crazy. That's the most foam produced from a product I've ever seen. One of my absolute favorite products that I've used a few times now is the wheel cleaner. With the wheel cleaner, you are going to spray it onto the wheel, wait 2 to 4 minutes, but within 2 minutes, typically I like to start agitating it at that point. This is the best wheel cleaner I've used yet to date. All clean. But I do have to get the rest of them washed so I can go ahead and get this thing in the shop so we can get started. But if you want to check out their products, make sure you click the link below. I will have it down below. Go get it. It's amazing, I promise. It's time. I'm gonna get these mounted, and then we're going to draw the holes, and then from there we're gonna punch them. It's just unfortunate because the rib nut tool and rib nuts didn't come in. They were supposed to come in today, but it says by 10 p.m. and we know how that goes. They're gonna get delivered at 10 p.m. tonight. So we're gonna at least get these mounted, holes punched, and then tomorrow we're gonna have to start with all the fun of the cutting and apparently welding, because now we're gonna be welding. I am. Me. Never done it before. These fit so nice. First one is all taped on. She's looking crispy. Fits very well. You good?
I think it's good. Yeah.
Mini update. This side is done. This side is done. And now I'm gonna go ahead and punch the holes on both sides.
Here's the hole punch.
Thanks. Time to do some punching. So loud. First side done.
I love how you're like taking it off so like softly, like we're not about to just the fender's off.
You like my ninja skills? Don't turn your back on me.
Stupid.
One side's done. So far, we've gotten 2 holes punched. The rib nut gun and rib nuts are not here, so we're gonna pick this up in the morning. We did get a late start today, but honestly only because we were waiting to hopefully see if that would come in. So, we are done for the night. We'll leave those be, but both sides are done, ready to go in the morning to drill the holes, cut, weld, do all the fun things. And before we know it, they're gonna be on and I'm excited. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Happy Monday, y'all. We are back at the shop today, getting ready to do everything. The rib nuts and the rib nut tool did not come in last night, so we love that. So we went to the store today and just picked one up. And look at the goodies, guys. Got me one of these bad boys. Your girl loves losing the nuts. Wow, looky there. Since it didn't come in time, got this bad boy right here.
Thank you.
Rory, how come can you tighten her, please?
Oh yes.
It's time. No one does it better. Got a little camera.
So stupid. Correct technique by the book.
By the book. We do everything by the book.
By the book. Come on.
That's heavy. I'm gonna remove this bolt so that this can pull out, so that when I'm cutting it, you know. I'm actually removing every bolt on the car because I think that it's just necessary. Woo!
Nice.
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 It's just 2. I had to remove this one too. Easy enough. First of all, I'm scared. What if I just...
Don't.
I'm so shaky for no reason. That's a dang hole. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Just gonna stick it right in there. Good squeeze. I'm so glad my nails are not done right now, man. I would be raging. So pretty.
God damn, longest screw in the year.
Honestly, why? Hello? One side done. The other side's drilled. I just also have to put these in. We love crusty paint. This is too big for me.
No, here. Hold on. Keep it on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. I have no clue what I'm doing, but this is really cool.
Yeah, pull us a sick line for us. Let's see a sick line. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ma'am, and you're going to be doing this on the vendors?
We're getting ready.
Keep her pinned, you know?
It's the gloves. Wow.
That looks like
That looks great. That's some art. You think I could sell that?
Yeah.
Things are moving along very, very nicely. They taped up this side for me. The other side is ready to be taped up. But I'm gonna do the first side. Let's see how that goes. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm proud of myself for this. It's not the best, but I'm never gonna see it again. But now I'm gonna go ahead, cut the first layer, and then we're gonna take the second layer and do release cuts and then fold it up to be welded. gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself for this being my first time ever doing this, but we are going to call it a night and then come back in the morning, obviously, and try and get this 100% finished. We're one step closer, but we're hungry, we're sleepy. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
Now I'm trying to give it a good pounding while still being very gentle. We're getting there. Well, you can definitely tell this side was my practice side. This was the first time around for everything. Y'all can roast me all you want. It looks beautiful to me. The second side, this side though, this is like my baby. It came out so much better. It's fitting so much nicer. I think you did it. It might be overkill, but we're living for the safety.
How are you saying like to overtake? Like you didn't take the same amount.
I didn't do that. What do you mean?
I feel gaslit.
It's officially time to get tack welding. I think I'm excited, but I'm also very nervous, so wish me luck.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm!
Hello. How's it going? Don't look at these welds, okay?
For the first time?
Well, the second side is all done. Now I'm gonna cut these off. Actually, I think Mason wants to because he keeps asking me if he can do it. But to be for real, like, I need somebody to come teach me how to weld. This was too much fun, and it looks like it's a lot of boogers. We're one step closer. Paul did the welding on the other side because I felt like I couldn't do it, but I was determined, and so I wanted to do this side, and I'm proud of myself. It might look like poop, but it looks great to me. Boy, be breathing in that. Be breathing. Oh, she be calming now.
Oh yeah, go on, smear it better. Oh yeah, I like the way you spread.
Why do you have to be so weird sometimes, bro? Alright, so panel bonded both sides, and I just want you guys to look. This was our tester side. This one went through hell and back, but we still love her. You know, problematic, but we love her. And then the golden child. I'm really, really, really happy with how this came out. It makes me feel really happy and satisfied. But I'm excited for this to dry. And then tomorrow I'll be able to actually put them on. Welcome back to the next day. These bad boys, we get to put them on. Look, 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 look. Look, ready to go. I'm gonna spray paint them. And then once they dry, I'll put them on. Also on today's agenda, which was super, super, super last minute, I'm going to be test fitting a pair of wheels for the S2000. It was one of like 3 options of wheels that I had in mind for this car. And so one of my close friends is actually selling a pair of one of those wheels. So it's gonna be good because I get to test fit to see kind of what the fitment needs to be with these fenders, and then also if I'm gonna like them or not. So, but y'all don't get to see them. Joke's on you. This is about to be the most satisfying thing to ever take off. Ooh. My soul.
Your honey in here right now. If we go for the most complicating one first, just bottom one, nothing to hold it up at the top.
Buddy, that's just how my life goes, okay?
We just did all this work, they just don't fit.
Scratch it, throw it all away.
They're looking good. What you got there?
Well, you know, shiny things. Putting on wheels really makes me feel weak.
All right, come on.
That's a little extra beef.
Get that key. I'm just gonna honey dick them and just not show it.
This right here, but you can't see,
Just drop down in front of it.
it's a nice wheel, but you can't see it.
Keep going. Just go slow now.
Wow, this side's dumped.
I know that side's dumb.
Dumped. Oh, that's on there. I hate that I like them. I hate that I love them.
Why don't you show them?
In this video, don't they look so good? So good. I'm definitely gonna need to add some camber. There is, we don't know if it's a 5mm or an 8mm spacer that we have on it right now. We have to measure it, but we're thinking it's a 5. This hits it first and it's barely sitting on this. I'm gonna need to do a little bit more work to get these to fit, but they look good. I don't know what I want to do. I like them, but I'm also looking at another one that I really, really like. I don't know what to do. Don't. It looks funny on the outfit ones. Yeah, I did that. I'm proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. First time ever, and they came out looking great. Well, on that note, that is the end of today's video and the next part of the Suki build. I am so excited. This was technically part 2, so the next part will be part 3 if I'm doing this correctly in my head. Next will be the front fenders, which I was hoping to get done in this video, but it's going to have to be saved for the next one. And I think with the front fenders, I'm also going to be doing the front bumper. So those will be done together for sure. And then maybe in the next video, I'll be announcing some wheels. I don't know, we'll see. I'm an indecisive human. Until then, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Comment down below more things you want to see on the channel, especially with the Volkswagens, because eventually I would like to get those things moving. I will see you next time.